Okay, everybody quiet. Camera. Oh, sorry.
Hi, my name is Duane Beavis, and I'm here representing Dakota House. And I'm
Already? I had it. That's okay. That's all right. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Turn it on. Yeah. Yeah. When you're standing like this, you're looking more aggressive. Yeah. Better higher. I mean, wow. So yeah, that's good sounds. Camera set.
Thanks a lot.
Good job.
Felt corny, man.
I know sometimes it feels really weird to you, but when you look at it through the camera, you're actually looking really good. Even though it may feel kind of weird and stuff, you know, yeah, you're doing well. Next.
Can we break for lunch?
Oh, yeah.
We're going to break for lunch, and then we have a panel, an industry panel at lunchtime, during the lunch hour, and then we'll start back up again.
Is it lunch right now?
Yeah.
Okay. And at the end of the workshop, we'll have some pictures. So whoever wants an autographed picture, feel free to come up. I seen your name, I was like, damn. Good to meet this guy.
I've been there since March, and since no breaks they have. It's the first time. A lot of ideas out there, but there's a lot of inexperience in the producers. Duane just community college, got great ideas.
No, I think the last time was Friday. You have my name and address, my address and all that stuff.
Soon, yeah, I did have it. Is it safe?
I moved. I live in an apartment now. The wife.
All the other Aboriginal groups, Métis, and all the various First Nations across the country. You know, there were things on the network that were, for the most part, that did represent Aboriginal people, but were not written by Aboriginal people. So it sort of got people who were seeing this production, so a watered down version of it, right? So I mean, ideally they figured, well, if we can get Aboriginal people talking about Aboriginal culture and language, then we have, that's our vision, essentially, to do that. And not only that, is to, perhaps through some means, only time will tell, that you see we became APTN in February 22nd of last year. So it's been a grueling 18 months, and we're learning, we're getting our legs now, we're starting to learn as a new broadcaster who's never had an opportunity to represent ourselves, that we can possibly, you know, we could show the rest of Canada what we're able to do as Aboriginal people. And I could tell you, working in acquisitions, that acquisitions plus working with the producers to acquire product, I myself was surprised how much product is out there. And a big part of it was produced by Aboriginal people who had no distribution mechanism before. So essentially, you know, we're taking advantage of it. And again, I can also say that's not necessarily a bad thing, but as part of producing within Canada's broadcast system, 5% in Aboriginal languages. So essentially, so I'll give you a bit of a background of it, and I'll talk a bit about what I do. I just happen to be here for a different work. I'm Yeah, as a network, I mean, some of the programming policies that we have and have been put in place through our board of directors are meant to foster talent within the Aboriginal communities. And one of the ways we do that currently is we recognize there hasn't been a whole community that we could draw upon to fill all the programming that we have to do. So what we've designed our selection criteria to do is, if in fact there is a project out there that doesn't have an Aboriginal producer but is Aboriginal